Extra power and performance. The Model 971E is the latest instalment in the legacy line, providing precise temperature control and high-performance soldering for your more demanding jobs. Engineered for RoHS and lead-free applications, it is the soldering station of choice for heavy-duty, multi-layer boards that require more power. Two key factors to consider when selecting a high-performance station include 1. The speed in which it heats up when turned on, and secondly, the time needed for the tip to regain its temperature and recover. The 971E delivers both fast heat up and recovery times. The direct tip-to-heater configuration provides extra power with accurate and stable temperatures at the tip. The handle is designed for quick and easy tip change, an essential feature for technicians changing or swapping hot tips between applications. The design is new and modern. It's illuminated for greater visibility and it's better able to indicate when the power is turned on. Its modern round shape with no lower casing provides a small footprint, making it lightweight, portable, space-saving and compact. It displays in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. It's easy to maintain and with external calibration reduces downtime for the operator. It accepts a wide variety of tips. For the designing technician and engineer wanting to make light work of challenging heavy-duty boards, the 971E is the right tool.